Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bountiful Homestead channel. Today, we're digging into the wonderful world of heirloom vegetables. These aren't just any veggies, they're like treasured family heirlooms, passed down through generations, bursting with flavors and stories from the past. Imagine tasting a tomato just like your great-grandparents did, or growing beans that have been in someone's family for over 100 years. That's the magic of heirloom vegetables. These special plants are more than just food, they're a connection to our history. Heirloom vegetables come from seeds that have been saved and shared by gardeners over the years, often selected for their unbeatable taste, resilience, and ability to thrive in local conditions. It's like each plant has its own little backstory, making your garden not just a place to grow food, but a living museum. Finding seeds for these heirloom beauties is an adventure itself. It's all about connecting with others through seed exchanges, heritage seed catalogs, and even local gardening clubs. It's like joining a secret society where everyone is passionate about preserving these unique flavors and stories. Now, growing heirlooms can be a bit different from your typical garden fare. These plants often thrive in the conditions they were originally grown in, making them surprisingly tough against local pests and diseases. But they do like a bit of extra TLC. Paying attention to their specific needs, like the right spot in your garden and the perfect amount of water, can really make a difference. And don't forget about the companions, plants that grow well together, helping each other out. It's all about creating the best environment for your heirloom plants to flourish. Seed saving is where it gets really interesting. This is how you keep the heirloom legacy alive. By choosing the healthiest plants and letting them go to seed, you can collect and save these seeds for next year's garden. Just watch out for cross-pollination. You might end up with some unexpected surprises if different varieties get too cozy. So why go through all this effort? Because growing heirloom vegetables is like weaving your own thread into the fabric of gardening history. It's about enjoying unique flavors, preserving biodiversity, and sharing stories and seeds with the next generation. Every heirloom vegetable in your garden is a little piece of history, and you're helping to write its next chapter. I'll leave a link to a great heirloom seed resource in the description. Thanks for joining me here at Bountiful Homestead. Together, we're keeping the legacy of heirloom vegetables alive and thriving. Happy gardening, everyone.